But first, state health officials say there are no cases of the new coronavirus here in South Carolina. Charleston State Representative Wendell Gilliard, though, is working to inform people in the community about the virus in the middle of all kinds of rumors he says are circulating.
That's why he held a public meeting today at North Charleston City Hall. Live 5's Alexis Simmons joins us now. They're live. Alexis, what was the message coming out of that meeting?
Well, state leaders say people here in South Carolina don't need to panic about COVID-19. That is the type of coronavirus that is spreading worldwide. They do say people need to know about precautions they should be taking in case there is a case in the future here in South Carolina. There were about 20 people at today's meeting today. It was hosted by Representative Wendell Gilliard that included various health experts from local hospitals. It was a nearly 2-hour-long question and answer session. The biggest takeaway, a State Department of Health consultant says South Carolina is at a low risk, but that still means people should be washing their hands and taking precautions as you would with any sickness, like staying home from work or school if you're sick. Gilliard says he reached out to Governor Henry McMaster about a month ago, asking him to put out a state alert on preparations for the virus, which happened this morning.
If they caught it in China, for the amount of people they have on the radar, first thing that hit me was, well, how many people got under that radar that we did not detect?
The important thing to remember is that we prepare for this kind of thing very regularly in public health and emergency preparedness. So this is not the first time we've had a disease, a communicable disease, potential outbreak.
And the consultant for the State Department of Health says they've tested a few people already in South Carolina for the coronavirus. He says those tests were negative, but they are still keeping an eye on people who might have been in contact with others who had the virus in other states or around the world. I'm live in North Charleston. Alexis Simmons, Live 5 News.
All right, Alexis, thank you. While there are no confirmed cases here in our state, state health officials are preparing just in case. Today, our governor, Henry McMaster, gave us an update on what the state is doing, and he warned us not to panic. He reminds people simple things can stop the virus, like washing your hands and using hand sanitizer. The state health department says right now they have the capacity to test up to 100 people a day for the coronavirus in our state.
Later this week, Live 5 will be holding a phone bank to answer your questions about the coronavirus. We're partnering with Trident Health, and the hospital system will have doctors and other medical professionals here to take your calls and help with any concerns. That phone bank will happen on Thursday from 4 until 8 o'clock.